Hello guys, in this video we will see how we can protect ourselves from the attacks which we explained in this module. Now if we think about it for a second, how the attacker could reach out our internal host to begin with. Well, we rely on a social engineering attack along with a client-side attack to make it happen. So the main key defense here is to start with securing human, as they are the weakness point in the whole system. So you've got to start with securing your stuff on regular basis with some management enforcement. Next, you should never rely on antivirus or sandbox or VMware, as modern malware has built-in mechanism to protect itself from being detected. Also, you should stay away from any non-trust software, especially the cracked files. Before you install any software, even if it was a legitimate software, verify the file integrity using MD5 or SHA-1 algorithm. If possible, use DLP or data leaking prevention to detect any file transfer on the endpoint or in the network transit path. Also, as a best practice, you can install something called host-based intrusion detection system to collect the operating system logs and notice any modification that is happening on the operating system logs. Also, if possible, create a whitelist and cut down to limit what process is allowed to run on the operating system. During the security awareness session, always inform the non-technical personnel to report any phishing email or suspicious files to the network security team or to the security operator or analyst. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.